We've got this crazy Airbnb for 60 bucks a night, off-season penthouse.
What do you think of the food, bro? What are you doing over there?
It's just amazing. At 1/3 of the price of like probably Greece and Italy.
Yo, what's up with it, guys? So we made it to Vlore. Let me show you this place we're staying at. Peep this view, it's crazy. So we're looking out at the ocean. We got a city view, we got a mountain view. We got this one balcony. This was like about $60 a night. Bed. Living, you know, you got mirrors, you got a living room. Big living room, big couch space. Flat screen. Just to give you guys an example of some of the properties that are available around here. Now, this is an Airbnb, but you can definitely get monthlies like this too. Man, you got the bathroom, washer, that's nice. Oh, thank God the ass bath has returned. Oh man, that is beautiful. All right, shower, pretty decent, decent sized water heater. Got a little dining room table, second bedroom, storage. Second bedroom's got a dope little view. And then, of course, the piece de resistance. You got your place to chill. And then you got this. Is your view, son. Yo, so we made it from Apollonia to Vlore, and we've got this crazy Airbnb for 60 bucks a night, off-season penthouse, but it is a walk-up, so you've got to walk up like 7 stories. But man, this place is crazy for the size. Man, this is something I would definitely rent on a monthly basis. Vlore looks really nice just based on first impressions, and Apollonia is incredible, so 100% you need to come check that out. I'll let you guys know what I think of Vlore when I spend a little bit of the day here tomorrow, and then we're gonna probably drive down the Riviera and we'll see what Saranda looks like, and then maybe come back through the mountains. So I should have like a whole trip film for you guys, also broken up into separate content. So this should be pretty good. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it, and peep this place. Look at this for 60 bucks. You really can't beat this. Yo, what's up with it, suckers? You guys are eating some fast food, working 9 to 5. We out here eating seafood. We out here brushing our teeth. We got the bruschetta, we got the big ass sea bass coming. Yo, you can't even facilitate this lifestyle. You wish you was us. You wish your dental was as clean as my dental. Look at that, look at the bruschetta. Oh, manja. Yo, you ain't eating calamari like this. You working at Walmart and your teeth ain't clean. So, yo, look at the calamari we be eating out here. We be eating that calamari. Yo, you ain't eating linguine with the A quality shrimps. You ain't eating linguine like that with the A quality shrimps. You eating the B quality shrimps. You know why? Because you call another man boss. If you call another man boss, that's like calling another man daddy. I don't call another man boss. I eat linguine with the shrimps. We don't eat no B quality shrimps. We eating the A quality shrimps. Brush your teeth.
And we got the. All put it in the middle here.
Yeah.
And we got that seafood risotto. You know, we brushing our teeth and we eating risotto. You know. So that's that seafood risotto and that linguine with the A quality shrimps. And you know that you need to be living this life eating low quality shrimps while I'm eating that high quality shrimp. Brush your teeth.
It's the money.
What I'll put it in, you ain't eating fish like this. If you teacher in the Englishes, you ain't teacher in the fish. You ain't eating fish like this. You ain't out here in Vlore City eating that fish. Nah, you teacher in the Englishes. You saying duck, duck, duck to a 61st graders in the sog easy, aren't you? Brush your teeth.
It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we just tried the sea bass and it's delicious, really good. I'm about to try the vegetable. Let's see. Carrots. Wow, phenomenal.
What do you think of the food?
Delicious.
What do you think of the food, bro? What are you doing over there?
Surprise fruit platter.
Fruit platter, and yeah, you definitely ain't eating fruit like this.
The meal was phenomenal.
Yeah, you working at Walmart.
Definitely check this place out. Restaurant Titanic
Restaurant Titanic.
in Vlore, Albania.
Vlore City.
Come to Albania.
Come to Albania.
Eat this delicious pomegranate.
As a United States citizen, I have to say that I'm so impressed with Albania, Tirana, Vlore,
Vlore, yeah.
Vlore. The people are so friendly. The food is just amazing. At 1/3 of the price of like probably Greece and Italy, it's just an amazing, relaxing vacation and just nice people, beautiful country, and good times.
And you ain't eating fruit like this. See this? You see her? She's eating fruit.
Surprise fruit platter.
You ain't eating fruit, son. Misha's eating fruit. Yeah, eat that fruit. Yeah. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge.
With our help, it's gonna be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. And we help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.